video 3 while I'm having hair trouble. I just found out my freaking stylist, she quit. Have some sympathy, okay? I want you to do that. Have some sympathy for me, would you? Because hello, welcome back to my channel. Hello, if you're new, I am the ordinary gal. Thank you so much for joining me today. And if you don't mind, before we get started, please give your girl a chance and hit that subscribe button, and it'll just let you know about once a week. Hey, hello, remember me? So yeah, and if you enjoy this video, then please go ahead and hit that little like button. Please comment, subscribe, share, like, all that good stuff. And let's get on with the damn haul. First thing first. Oh, you'll have to excuse me. I'm out of breath. Oh. Out of breath. I just ate. I'm so full. I was eating chili cheese fries with the green chili. So good. So good. First thing first, guys. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I am so excited. My hair is like so big today. I just took a shower. Please don't mind me. Anyways. So excited. Okay, I got my order in the mail. So I did go to Fossil and I purchased 2 bags and some sunglasses and our sunglass holder and then a wallet as well. So let's get into that. Here is my beautiful bag. Look at how beautiful this bag is, okay? I just want you to, let's just take a minute. The only thing I wish that it had that it doesn't are feet. I wish that it had little feet or like, you know, like an extra little piece of leather or something like that, like little pads or something, just so when I put down my purse, it's not like on the floor. I would have really loved that, but that's okay. This purse is absolutely gorgeous. I absolutely love it. It has this long strap right here. It has this very soft leather. It's not like, you know, like that typical regular leather that's kind of textured. It's really beautiful. Has this very cute detailing right here, which I absolutely love. Has a little key on it. And it has these straps, and these are, of course, detachable. So, and I love, too, that the zippers, there's 2 zippers. So that's good. There's what the inside looks. Typical 2 pockets, a zipper, has Fossil. Has Fossil right there. And just the issue number and all that kind of stuff. So, I love this bag. It's so cute. This is like my new traveling purse. The one that I have right now, it's a Fossil, but it is a little bit too small. It's like one of those little typical, you know, travel bags, like a square, and it's just not big enough anymore. So this one's just a little bit smaller than my regular everyday bag, and I just absolutely love it. I've already busted open and used. It is another Fossil bag, as you can see. This one is just so beautiful. It has like this thick, really comfortable band. That is why I bought it. I really, really liked that. I love the gold detailing right here. You can take these off, of course. I like to just like hang my keys right here. It also has this zipper on the side, this little zipper part. I love sticking my phone in this when I'm, you know, in the store or whatever. My phone or my wallet, and it's just like a large pocket that goes about halfway, like more than halfway. So I can just stick like my wallet in there, my phone and all that kind of stuff. And it's just so handy dandy. So there's what it looks like. I will have these linked down below too if you guys want to check them out or whatever. And I'm already using it, like I said, and I love crossbodies, so I just really, really loved this purse. This is one of their new ones, and I was just so pleased to have it. And then this is what the inside looks. Typical 2 pockets, 1 zipper. This one has my initials inscribed in it, actually. The other one, just from the Fossil store, was their cute little wallet. It has little keys on it. It says Fossil. Has this little braided leather, you know, puller. And just a typical wallet. No money. Just typical regular wallet. So got that. That was really cute. So yes, I'm so happy. I love this. See how this is textured and the other one isn't? I just really, really like it. I just really love Fossil. It's just me. It just stay on. Oh, you know that was going to happen. How can I do a video, a haul video at that, without doing a Sephora haul? So let's get into it. A bunch of little samples that I got. I got tons of samples. I also renewed my VIB Rouge. They didn't have the brush, so I had to keep like that little last year's brush, like the 56 last year's brush, in my bag until they went in stock on the 2018 brushes, which is a 55, which I'm really excited about because I don't have that one. So, and then I got this really fun, which I'm going to use now. This, the Sephora lip balms. They are so amazing. They work so well. They're so moisturizing. They smell so unbelievably delicious. This smells like an actual banana. It smells so good. Yeah. And they last quite a long time. So this guy's $6. And then I also got a 100 point Fresh Sugar in Rosé lip treatment. So I'll just show you what that looks like really quick. It's pretty small, but it'll do the trick. So it just, you know, comes out, puts a little bit of color, puts a little bit of color on there, and there you go, you're good to go. And then you can twist it back up, and it just goes right back in there. So there we go. Yes, yes. I am so happy that I got this. This is the new limited edition Beauty Blender pack. It is over $100 worth of Beauty Blender product in here, and it was all mine for $64. So I am really, really excited. I'm a Beauty Blender collector, if you guys may or may not know, and I just absolutely loved it. We'll take a peek inside. I've already opened it and used the yellow Beauty Blender. So this is what it looks like. It's just so cute. It's so sparkly. It's really, like, really good, hard. You can totally, I don't know, like, pack this in your luggage, put brushes in here, beauty blenders, all kinds of shit, and it'll just be nice and safe in here and stored in your luggage or something. But the packaging is so cute. Look at that. Sprinkles. And then, boom. Look at how beautiful that is. I've already used the yellow one, like I said. So Original, Sapphire, Ivy, and Joy. Love it. Smells so good. It smells so good. Magnetic thing down there too. So I'm just so excited. I got my little grubby hands on that. This was the old brush that I was carrying around. They gave this to me. I think I renewed it back in May or June, and they gave me this, and I didn't even look at it or open it or anything like that until I got home and noticed it was last year's, and I was like, first world problems, man. I mean, I was really looking forward to the 2018 55 brush. Didn't get it. So I hung on to this, and then I was like, well, here's the one that they gave me, you know, trade you for the new one, and they were like, don't worry about it. So this is what the new one came in, BTW, and this is what it looks like. I'll just show you guys really quick. I have been using it because I really, really enjoy it. So this was last year's, and this is the 56, and this is the 55. So as you can see, they're a little different, just a little bit. Still get the job done. They're still really, really soft. Sponge and brush cleansing spray. I really, really wanted to try this. You get a pretty good amount. That would probably last you quite a while, especially because you just need a little squirt and then a paper towel or toilet paper to like squeeze the beauty blender, and it just instantly cleans it. It's pretty cool. So I like it. It has a little lock on it, and it's good to go. The next thing I got is this little cute Viktor and Rolf. I'm like so obsessed with Viktor and Rolf right now. This guy was 250 points, so I went ahead and snagged it up because I'm just like so obsessed with them right now. Look at how cute that is. How cute is that? I just loved it. It's so cute. Comes in this little cute box. It's 250 points, so I feel like it's worth it. Scoop X Milli, which is just a fun little cute bottle. and it was 12 bucks. I really love this setting spray. This is definitely hairspray for your face, and it is SPF 50, so got that guy. Benefit Professional right here, pore primer. I love this primer. This was actually part of the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty. I just got it the other day, and I had like $6 on my account of like, you know, like their cash back or whatever, coupon things. So I was able to use those $6 and got this for 10 bucks. I'm like, hell yes. I traded in my certificate for the YSL Mon Paris right over here. I love this. This is smells so good. If you guys are at the store, Macy's, whatever, like wherever they sell this, take a whiff. Look at how cute that bottle is too. I freaking love it. So cute. And then I think like Lenny Kravitz's daughter, she is the face for this right now, and I'm just like, oh, I'm so obsessed with her. She's so beautiful. Zoe, I think it's Zoe Kravitz. She was in Big Little Lies too. I really like her. Up at the Inglot store, I got the Dura line, which I really want to make a video and use it to see if it revives my Butter London glazing gloss, eye glazing gloss, because they dried up pretty fast, and I really want to start using them again, but they just dried up, so I really want to revive them with this. So hopefully a video coming soon on that. Addiction problems. You forget the things you buy. So look at this, guys. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to do a little swatch here. A little bit more, because I barely got any on my finger. I just really want you guys to see that. Look at that. It's so beautiful. Using words that I don't even know. I finally milled that it looks like it's liquid. It looks like it's wet. It's so freaking awesome. I love it. I had like 4 hours of sleep, so please don't mind those. For their weekly wow for like 15 bucks or something like that. And it's really tiny, but you see how much you need. This guy is gonna last you a lifetime. I mean, so if you guys like this video, please give it a little thumbs up. That just helps out my channel and get me in people's feed and stuff like that. And I would really appreciate a subscribe. I've got more just silly beauty driven things going on in this channel. So yeah, if you guys are interested, I would really appreciate it. Thank you guys so much. I will have things that I bought down below in, you know, that little section. I will have everything linked down below. If you guys are interested in checking anything out, I will try to put as much links. If not, I will put exactly what it was down below. So don't you worry. Thank you so much again, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.